merciless blizzard, a betrayed woman was chosen for sacrifice, bound to a frozen tree, snaps free in fury, becoming a spirit that freezes all betrayers. It's 1450. Ainu lands in Hokkaido. A starving tribe selects a woman for the winter gods. They bind her tightly to a gnarled tree amid the howling storm. They chant desperately for bountiful hunts. She pleads in vain to halt the right. No one heeds her. Such grim offerings were their last hope for survival. For a fleeting moment, the ritual unfolds. They feel the god's presence stirring. A fragile relief washes over the group. Unbearable rage surges through her veins. She shatters the bonds with supernatural force. She confronts the leader who doomed her. His form crystallizes in silent agony, shattering like fragile ice. The ground encases in eternal frost. Her eyes gleam with glacial malice. She vanishes into the shadowed woods. Her skin fades to pallid snow. Her mere breath withers life, turning flora to brittle husks. Under cover of night, she returns unseen. She hovers silently, watching the hunters in their uneasy slumber. They awaken to suffocating cold. One by one, betrayers freeze solid, their forms locked in eternal torment. Her inscrutable rules bind the living. Any whisper of treachery invites her icy grasp. The vengeful spirit forged from betrayal is Yuki-onna.